Hi there and welcome. In this session, we'll focus on enhancing the look and feel of your Excel spreadsheets. Formatting is a powerful tool that makes your data more readable, professional, and impactful. You'll start by learning how to apply basic text formatting, like bold, italics, and font colors, to make headings and important data stand out. Whether you're working on a financial report or a class roster, these techniques help you highlight key information at a glance. Next, we'll explore cell alignment. You'll discover how to align text horizontally and vertically to keep your data well organized. Proper alignment ensures that your spreadsheets are clean, polished, and easy to navigate. We'll also dive into adding borders and background colors to define sections of your data. Borders help structure your spreadsheets, while background colors can emphasize totals, headers, or specific ranges. This session also introduces you to number formats, such as currency, percentages, and dates, which ensure your data is displayed consistently and professionally. Finally, you'll learn how to copy and remove formatting efficiently, saving time when working on large data sets or multiple spreadsheets. By the end of this session, you'll have all the tools you need to create visually appealing spreadsheets that communicate your data effectively. Let's get started and bring your Excel designs to life.